Good afternoon, everybody. I'm doing my daily art journal play. I'm working in this scrapbook that I got at the thrift store. And today I'm going to add a little paint and do a few things. I need to knock down a couple of things. I'm not happy with this. I like these, but they stand out too much. I really don't like this, so another layer of paint or anything might help it. Well, this one is just on to where it needs the next layer. So is this one. So I'm just going to work here for a while and see what happens. I am going to turn the sound off so that I can speed up the middle of the tape like I have been doing, and I will be back in the end when I finish for the day. Okay, everybody, I'm just gonna clean up my palette here on some paper. Just making some painty paper. I'm not sure whether today was a good day or not. Things didn't, they may have to have more layers. That's the thing about this, is that all we have to do is just get a few more layers, see what we want to do. I'm much happier with this now that I've toned down those little marks right there. This one's headed there. It's getting there. This one, nope, not so good. Let's see, what else did oh, I'm real pleased with this one. It just needed to take these marks down a little bit, and this spot right here. So I'm very pleased with some of these. Pardon my head. This one's still got a ways to go. But you know, a few more marks, a few more layers, and everything kind of falls into place. Oh, this one, not sure where it's going, but not particularly liking it at the moment, but that's okay. There again, another layer, and it'll be all right. So anyways, that's all for today, and I hope you guys had a good time. If you did, please give my videos a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and do please go make some art. Enjoy your afternoon.